Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore balance transfer strategy with Citi, full guide step by step clearly. To restore balance transfer strategy with Citi, begin by assessing your current financial situation. Gather all relevant account statements and outstanding balances. Review the specific terms and conditions of your existing Citi credit card. Identify any promotional balance transfer offers available with your card. Log into your Citi online account or mobile app. Navigate to the balance transfer section of the website. Select the option to transfer a balance. Enter the details of the account from which you wish to transfer the balance. Input the amount you wish to transfer. Review the interest rates and any applicable fees for the transfer. Confirm that the amount does not exceed your credit limit. Submit the balance transfer request. Monitor the status of your balance transfer in your Citi account dashboard. Once completed, verify that the transferred amount has been reflected in your Citi account. Develop a repayment plan to pay off the transferred balance before the promotional period ends. Set reminders for payment due dates to avoid late fees. Keep track of your spending to prevent exceeding your credit limit. Adjust your budgeting to accommodate monthly payments. Additionally, review your credit utilization ratio to ensure it remains healthy. By following these steps, you can effectively restore your balance transfer strategy with Citi. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.